Assalamualaikum students. Today we learn how to create, alter and drop database. Basically, I will discuss DDL. Create, alter, drop. Firstly, open the Visual Studio. Select here database engine. Here is your PC name, or either you write dot local DB or your IP address. Server name maybe PC name, IP address, or dot or local DB, right? Students, you can write either one, your PC name, IP address, or dot or local DB in your server name, and write Windows authentication if you have don't give any password or username during installation, then connect. In file menu, you select new query with current connection. Comment, create database. Write query here, create database, database name. For example, here is we write student academy. Now select that query and press execute or F5. Command successfully completed means database is created. Here is we easily see my database is created, student academy. Now if we are interested to use this database, so write use student academy. Select that query. So here is in this time write master database, which is system databases. Master, model, MSDB, TempDB, that is system databases. Use your database, which is student academy. Select that query and press execute. Now here is student academy. Alter database name, right? How we alter database name? Write query, alter database old name of your database, for example students, right? Student academy, for example, is your database name. Modify, which is keyword, name, which is also keyword, equals to new name. For example, here is we write it student academy. change and name students academy. For example, here is just write S. Select that query and execute. F5. The database name Students Academy has been set. Now your current database name is Students Academy, right? If you are interested to drop your current database, so must use another database. Comment. Okay. Without use, I can try to drop database. For example, write drop database name, right? Students Academy. Error generate and say कि you currently use that database. ये देखिए, right? Cannot drop database Students Academy because it is currently in use. So we use another database. So we can drop. For example, right? Use master and select that query. Press F5 for execute. Now we can easily drop your previous database. Students Academy not exist here. Refresh and check. Here is not any database which is related to Students Academy. Today we learned about create database, use database, alter database and drop database. If you are interested to create database, write create database name, use database, alter database name, modify name, new name. Drop database, before you drop, use another database. For example, here is I use master and drop database name. Thank you for watching.